Timmy, where are you this morning, Tim?
Good morning, guys. Circular Quay is where you find me. The lights on the bridge, not on yet, but we're going to get a big light in the sky appearing very soon. We are going to see the sun this morning. Very happy about that after all of that rain that we've been experiencing through parts of the east coast of Australia. We are seeing a very slow-moving high-pressure system passing up through the Great Australian Bight. That is pushing away a lot of all that rain across the east coast today. So we will see the sun, but it is very chill. Am I right saying that it's very cold this morning? Yeah, there is a very stiff southwesterly breeze blowing here at Circular Quay. Let's dive in and see how things are going to warm up at your place across Australia today. Starting in Queensland for you, we can expect mostly sunny, top of 29 degrees today for Cairns and also for Townsville, 26 for Mackay. Inland, sunshine 23 for Mount Isa, Longreach 25 on the way for you. Right down to the southeast corner, sunshine for Noosa 24 and 24 and fine as well for Coolangatta. For New South Wales today, partly cloudy conditions for both Grafton and for Tamworth. Broken Hill, partly cloudy and 18 degrees on the way for you. Fine conditions through the Riverina today. A few clouds here and there, temps in the mid-teens. Canberra, partly cloudy, a top of 16 for you. For Victoria and Tasmania today, partly cloudy for Mildura and for Bendigo. Those showers passing through Warrnambool will ease, 16 degrees your top. A light shower or two on the forecast for Ballarat. Launceston, mostly sunny, 17 degrees. Partly cloudy for Swansea and 17 as well. A top of 15 today for Strawn. For South Australia, a possible shower, a high of 20 for Port Lincoln. Cooper Pedy, sunny and a high of 20 degrees. In Western Australia today, some morning fog patches, then mostly sunny, tops of 23 for Albany. We can expect a partly cloudy top of 29 for Geraldton. A bit windy for Karratha today. Broome for you, 28 degrees and a possible shower. And the Northern Territory, Alice Springs, mostly sunny and 18 degrees. Darwin for you, mostly sunny today and a top of 33 degrees. So they have thrilled over 2 million people right here on Sydney Harbour. I am, of course, talking about the one, the only Oz jet boating. Have a look at our fetching red ponchos that we've got on here this morning and life jackets as well. These guys and gals, they are ready to go for the ride of their lives. As we board the Red Shark this morning, we will head out onto Sydney Harbour. The rain and all the weather lately has just been sending me in circles. So I think the producer just thought, maybe let's stay on theme here because we will be doing some circle work on Sydney Harbour this morning. We are going to be spinning round, round, right round, again and again and again. 360s, and it's going to be a whole heap of fun. And you are coming along for the ride. Who's excited? Me! You don't sound very excited. Who's excited? Yes, let's wake everyone up in the toaster. Good morning, everyone. Oh, no, they're all awake. Good morning to you guys. We will see you again with another check of your forecast and go for a ride that you're going to love. We'll see you with that after 6 o'clock.
Timmy, I think what we need to do is, before we move on, because they look like they're, a sister act.
They do.
They look like they're a choir at the church. So if you can give us a little song before you get on the boat, that'd be great.
Happy days.
I will follow him. Join in anytime. Follow him wherever he goes.
I can practice it in the ad break.
Do some work, son.
And Timmy is live with your Wednesday weather from Sydney. We are back on 9 and 9 now in just a moment. Hey, Timmy.
I'm the king of the world on a boat like Leo.
Let's get a hit of weather for you now with Timmy, who joins us from Sydney this morning.
I do, guys, and it is going to be a spectacular morning, especially for us joining Oz Jet Boating. We are heading out onto Sydney Harbour this morning. Is everybody ready? Yeah, I'm kitted up now. I'm ready to go as well. They've given us a life jacket. We're not going to need that today, don't worry. But we have some visitors from far, far away that are joining us here this morning. We've got people from Yorkshire, from Blackpool. We've got Scotland, Italy, Mexico. We've got Lismore. We've got Perth. We've got Sydney as well. Who's from Sydney? Yes. I tell you what, this is one of those experiences that you've got to go out and do in your own city. You probably walk past it and think, that's for the tourists. You've got to come and do this because it's so much fun. Hey, we'll get cracking in just a second, but first, let's take a look at that all-important forecast for you across Australia. Good morning, Cairns. Heading for a mostly sunny high of 29 degrees today. Brisbane, sunshine for you, a top of 24. For the Gold Coast, 24 degrees and fine for you as well. Mostly sunny here in Sydney. We're in for a high of 20 degrees. A little bit of a chilly start this morning, though. That cool air is passing through as we have had clear skies overnight. Canberra, a chilly start for you, partly cloudy, 16 degrees, 17 and a shower or two for Melbourne. Hobart, cloudy and 15. A shower or two and 20 for Adelaide. Perth, mostly sunny, a lovely day, 25 degrees on the way. Alice Springs, mostly sunny, 18 degrees for you. And Darwin, mostly sunny, 33 degrees on the way today. Chris Large is the operations manager for Oz Jet Boating. He's been doing this for almost 5 years. Nice to see you, Chris. Yeah, long enough. You know what's going on. All right, what can we all expect today? today as they start to get on board?
Oh, so they're going to get on, they're going to go past the Opera House, they're going to go check out the sights of Sydney, a couple spins, slides, nosedives, that kind of thing, maybe a little bit of spray if
Oh,
they're
yes.
lucky.
How quick are we going to go?
Oh, about 40 knots.
40
yeah,
knots.
it was about 80 kilometres an hour.
Yeah, that's all right. Any
Yeah.
G-force when you spin
Yeah,
around?
a little bit of G-force. Hopefully they'll be holding on tight now. Yeah.
Don't worry, we'll be holding on tight. Hey, brilliant that you can do this. I mean, 364 days of the year you guys are in operation, but you've got something very cool coming up.
Yeah, we've got Vivid starting on Friday. So instead of daytime activity, we'll be out at night checking out the lights in Sydney. We've got drone shows, fireworks. Yeah, you can't really experience anything like it.
No, I was going to say, it's one thing to take in Vivid here in Sydney, which is spectacular, to walk around all of the buildings, but to actually get out onto Sydney Harbour and do it with you guys would be very cool as well.
Yeah, it'd be so good. So come on down, we'll check out our website, Instagram, Facebook, we'll have all of our details on there. Come down and check us out.
And tune in this morning because we are about to go and have some fun, y'all. We'll see you with that coming your way. Another check of the forecast too after 6:30. Ready to go?
It's going to be a beautiful day in Sydney town. Thank you, buddy.
Gorgeous. Thank you, Tim. All right, let's get a check of the weather for you now with Timmy, who's also up and about this morning. Look at him go.
Yeah, how could you not be? Have a look at this, guys. What a way to wake up on this, what day is it? Wednesday morning, my goodness me. We have had rain for feels like eternity, and the skies have cleared, and it is the most beautiful morning here in Sydney, especially for some of our international visitors that have joined us here on Oz Jet Boating. We are heading out for a full-on spin on this Wednesday hump day, and we cannot wait. More on that for you coming up in just a moment, but right now, let's take a look at your forecast across Australia today.
Today's weather brought to you by the helpful Harris Scarf.
Good morning, Cairns, mostly sunny, 29 degrees on the way for you today. Brisbane, fine and sunny as well, 24 degrees, the same for the Gold Coast. Here in Sydney, mostly sunny, a top of 20. Canberra, partly cloudy, 16 degrees. Melbourne, a shower or two, 17 on the way. Cloudy and 15 for Hobart. Adelaide, a shower or two and 20. A lovely day for Perth, 25 and mostly fine. Alice Springs, mostly sunny and 18. And Darwin, mostly sunny and 33 degrees. Oh, some of my friends behind me, you're all laughing now back there. I don't know at what, but I don't know that they're going to be laughing for much longer. Matt Hilda is the managing director, the owner, and our skipper this morning here aboard Oz Jet Boating, the Red Shark. Matty, good morning.
Morning.
This is a bit of fun.
Yeah, mate. Great fun. Great fun. We'll take you for a quick hot lap around Sydney Harbour.
Oh, yes, please. Can't wait. Hey, you guys are celebrating a bit of a milestone this year.
We are. We turned 25 years old, so this is our 25th year in operation, and celebrated quite well last year. At the end of last year, actually, we won the Adventure Tourism Award for New South Wales. So pretty exciting stuff.
We're in for a good morning then, by all accounts. How are conditions looking, Skipper?
Perfect.
Excellent. All right, well, we've just had a big cruise ship come in, so we are cleared for takeoff, I do believe. We are at the moment just sitting off the Sydney Opera House, and what a view and a beautiful way to start our adventure here on Sydney Harbour with Oz Jet Boating, guys. We will see you with another check of your full forecast from somewhere on the harbour, probably in a spin. See ya in half an hour.
Go on, rev it.
Looks good this morning, doesn't it? Oh, have fun.
Yeah.
Take care, Timmy.
That is fun.
Does look fun, doesn't it? We're young on. Thank you, Danica. Let's check in with Timmy now, who's on the water in Sydney for us this morning.
I know, and what a morning I've got for it, Sarah. Look at this, isn't it spectacular? The sun has cracked, and that's basically all I really need to say, because we are going to see clear skies across a big section of Sydney today, and right across the east coast as well after all that rain. A high pressure system in the bight pushing all of that wet weather offshore. Let's dive in and see what your forecast is doing today. For Cairns, mostly sunny, a top of 29 degrees. For Brisbane and the Gold Coast, sunny, 24. Sydney, mostly sunny, a top of 20. Canberra, partly cloudy and 16. Melbourne, a shower or two and 17. Hobart, cloudy and 15. Adelaide, a shower or two for you, a top of 20. Perth, mostly sunny, 25. Alice Springs, 18 degrees and looking pretty good. And mostly sunny as well for Darwin today, a top of 33 degrees. Over the past 25 years, Oz Jet Boating has been thrilling customers here on Sydney Harbour with splash-filled, spin-filled fun right throughout this wonderful waterway of ours. I reckon this morning, with such a perfect day, we are ready to hit it. We've got Skipper Matty here ready to go. Everyone ready for a new hairdo? Yeah. Let's do it. We'll see you in half an hour, Carl, hopefully. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Timmy. What a stunning day on the harbour.
And what a Wednesday morning we have been gifted here on Sydney Harbour with Oz Jet Boating. We've got all the icons and the best crew ever. We will check your full forecast right across Australia coming up. Thanks so much for waking up with Today.
Let's get some weather now with Timmy, who's feeling the need today.
Woo, we certainly are. We're just going for a spin to kick off our Wednesday morning. Carl, Sarah, good morning to you. Oz Jet Boating has us out on Sydney Harbour. This is our ultimate playground for the day, and what a day we have for it. It is just beautiful. We have plenty more fun that we are going to share with you throughout the course of this morning, but right now, let's just stop in and check in what's happening with our forecast across Australia today. Cairns for you, you're heading for a mostly fine top of 29 degrees, Brisbane sunshine 24, the same for the Gold Coast. Sydney 20 degrees, mostly fine and sunny. Canberra partly cloudy and 16. Melbourne a shower or two and 17. Cloudy and 15 for Hobart. Adelaide a shower or two, a top of 20. Perth mostly sunny 25. Alice Springs mostly sunny 18. And Darwin mostly sunny and a high of 33 degrees. I'm going to put that forecast away because Matty Hilder is our skipper. He's the managing director of Oz Jet Boating. Oh, we've got a few behind me that are starting to get a bit queasy, I think. This is cool. Matty, talk us through it. What's happening?
So we're about to go for a spin, guys. Here we go. 3,
2, 1, hold on! Oh!
Oh, yeah.
I nearly lost the forecast. Okay, so basically, we have a whole morning of that. I'm going to hold on to myself, basically, and not this clipboard. It can go flying. Everyone good?
Spin it again.
More. We'll see what half an hour.
Do it again.
Go again, go again, go again. Let's go again.
He's our most flamboyant danger mouse, isn't he?
Here we go.
Lost it.
Oh, yeah.
How good.
How's your breakfast?
I know. Hopefully you haven't had any, Timmy. And everyone else on board. All right, let's get a hit of entertainment for you.
I love it.
Well, talking about scenes, Timmy has a few of his own on the water this morning.
Yeah, we've had a blast out here literally this morning. Oz Jet Boating taking us for a big spin literally as well on Sydney Harbour. We've been doing 360s and tearing around with some fishtails as well. Everyone having a good time? We've done a head count. We're all still here. It's a miracle that no one has been catapulted out of this boat, but everyone's strapped in nice, safe and sound with our life vests on. Haven't had to use them yet, but I have a feeling we could be doing something in just a moment. Matt Hilder is our skipper. He's also the managing director of Oz Jet Boating and joins me from the helm this morning. Okay, skipper, you've got something special planned for us. What are you thinking?
I sure do. I'm thinking a power brake stop, which is basically a nosedive. So the nose of the boat will drop down, or maybe a lot of water may come over the front of the
Who
boat.
brought their snorkel this morning? No, none of us did. I think we're about to get very wet the last few days with all the rain here, but the skies have cleared. Beautiful sunshine today, so we will dry off. Let's see how your weather is going to be faring across the country today. For Cairns, mostly sunny conditions, heading for a top of 29 degrees for you. Brisbane and the Gold Coast, 24, fine and sunny. Sydney, mostly sunny here. It's going to be a top of 20, 16 and partly cloudy for Canberra. Melbourne, a shower or two and 17. Hobart, cloudy and 15. Adelaide, a shower or two and 20. Oh, I can hear the engines revving. I'm getting nervous. Okay, Perth, mostly sunny, 25. Alice Springs, mostly sunny, 18. And Darwin, mostly sunny and 33 degrees. I've got to hide the clipboard nice and quickly. Pull my hood up because I think we're going for a swim. All right, here we go. We've got the hand in the air. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, everybody. We're about to abruptly stop.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Saltwater
Scenes
spray
indeed.
in your face. And the wind. I feel like I've had a facelift. I've got a new hairdo. Life is good here on Sydney Harbour with Oz Jet Boating. We'll see you guys in half an hour.
Oh, what a stunning shot.
What a start to the day, hey?
Adventure ride there on Sydney Harbour. Never thought to do that.
Yeah, it looks fun, doesn't it?
A lot of fun. Thank you, buddy.
All right, let's get a hit of weather for you now with Timmy, who's in Sydney this morning. Hey, Tim.
I am, and it was lovely knowing all of my co-riders this morning. There it is, the big red famous shark, and of course Matty Hilder, our skipper. He's a bit of a shark behind the controls of that jet boat. Oz Jet Boating this morning started off with like 20 people, but there's none left. I don't know where they've all gone. Oh, here you all are. We are back on almost dry land on the pontoon, moving around a little bit. Who had a good time? Yes, what a boring bunch you are, though. Honestly, no one threw up. No one, like, sweared too much. I thought it was a bit dull, honestly. I was waiting for you guys to, like, really let rip. No, we had an absolute ball out there this morning, and what a spectacular day we had for it. The sun coming out to play after all of that rain, which has moved off the east coast thanks to a high in the Bight. Let's take a look one final time today, though, on this Wednesday and see what's happening weather-wise across Australia.
Today's weather brought to you by the helpful Harris Scarf.
29 degrees, mostly fine and sunny up top for Cairns. Sunshine as well for Brisbane and the Gold Coast. Also here in Sydney, 20 degrees, the high. Canberra, partly cloudy and 16. Melbourne, a shower or two and 17. Hobart, cloudy, 15 degrees. Adelaide, a shower or two and 20. Perth, mostly sunny, 25 degrees. Alice Springs, mostly sunny, a top of 18. And Darwin, mostly sunny for you and a high of 33 degrees. They are celebrating 25 years of the Oz jet boating, leaving from the Eastern Dock here at Circular Quay. We had the Carnival Splendour pulled in this morning as we were getting set to head out in our fetching red ponchos. Did they help keep most of us dry? No. Has anyone got any awkward wet patches by any chance? Yeah. Where? Oh, turn around and show us. Look, I'm not going to be shy. I do have one patch which is slightly awkward this morning, so I've got to get through Circular Quay with that on my bum. But I had a great time. I didn't go to the toilet on myself or anything like that. I don't want anyone getting worried. We had a ball, and they have an awesome thing coming up here as well throughout Vivid, which starts this weekend coming. If you want to venture out onto Sydney Harbour with the Oz jet boating team as well, well worth the experience. It will amplify that whole Vivid experience for you here if you're coming to Sydney. And trust me, as a Sydney-sider, born and bred here, you've got to get out and do the touristy things. We've got people from all over the world that have joined us this morning. They've had a great time seeing the harbour city like this, but it's so nice to come out in your own backyard and experience something like this as well. So if you're a local Sydney-sider, get on down here to the Eastern Wharf at Circular Quay and jump aboard Oz jet boating. Who's off to work now? No? Oh, you lazy tourists. Have the best time in our fair land. Awesome stuff, guys. See you tomorrow.
Nice blow wave too,
Yeah, it
Timmy.
looks like it blew your whole face back.
He's had a
It's so
facelift in there. Amazing. It's a good look, Timmy.
Love you, Timmy. Well, next